morning, this is Edeline again from Honeypots. Today we are going to do an art activity in celebration of the Mother's Day. We are going to be creating a paper doll version of our mom. This is a good way of helping our children learn about creativity, imagination, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills. So these are examples of our Mother's Day activity. Today we have gathered a variety of resources. For toddler age group, you can cut some materials from magazines, newspapers, cereal or biscuit boxes, scrap of materials, and allow your toddlers to choose the materials they would like to use. For kinder-age children with supervision of an adult, you can instead get your children to cut out materials from the suggested resources just mentioned. This is a good way to help with school readiness, such as pencil grip skills. Okay, what we have here are images of mommy. So we need a glue, stick them at the back of the dress, and then we're ready to stick them on the mom's body. And it looks like this. To make it more fun and enjoyable, stick on some googly eyes and even some shredded paper or wool for the hair. Otherwise, your children can decorate using colored pencils or felt tip pens. We wish all moms a happy Mother's Day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.